lose 21 pounds in 21 days. 8 cleanse caps or 1 tablespoon. 8 cleanse caps equals 1 tablespoon of the powder. With the powder, you get a little bit more bang for your buck. Next, 2 or 3 hours later, you get yourself the Pirozyme and the Herbal Blood. If you want to really change your life and have a protocol that's actually going to transform you very rapidly, you will get on this and get the Pirozyme and get the Herbal Blood, and you'll take 8 Pirozyme and 8 Herbal Blood with a lemon ginger blast or any fresh organic juice that you can get your hands on, 32 ounces. Knock that back and move forward to the next one, which is the probiotics. These are enzyme enhanced probiotics, and the Pirozyme and the Herbal Blood will start to break everything down. Then the probiotics here transform all that broken down material, recycle it, and turn it into beneficial metabolite. So this here is the beauty juice: carrot, apple, beet, ginger, lemon, celery, cucumber. Can you dig it? But any fresh juice. Now these, you have 500 of those, so I'll take like 12, sometimes even 20. Now, that's very simple. Juice number 1, breakfast. Juice number 2, lunch. Juice number 3, dinner.